Hey guys, this is my, the name of the project is called Meet My Family, but I decided to go with a Meet My Electrical Formulas app because I can actually use it for work. So I'm just going to go through it real quick. This is an app that uses spreadsheets and kind of, you can see from the top here, there's 5 items on it to start. These are all just basic formulas that I use at work. You can click in here, it'll pull up a picture. Description is how do you calculate watts and power, and then you have the equation right there. It's volts times amps, right? So you can scroll through them like this, hit each one of the 5, hit main menu, it'll bring you back. There's also the option to remove one. So if I wanted to remove this guy, I would just hit the remove button and it would take it off of the list. Oops. Go back to Meet My Formulas, and I'll actually push that because I'm going to add one to show you how to add one. So I've got my list right there, just pulls it from a spreadsheet, puts them up there. If you want to add one, I know originally in the rubric it says you have to have a URL, but the extra credit is to be able to take a picture instead from your phone. So I'm going to show you what to do here. So if I wanted to add one, I'll just add a random one like the description will be the mass energy equivalence formula, which is E equals MC squared. And then if I wanted to add a picture, I would just click the take picture, take a quick picture of some cool physics stuff, use photo, have it all right there. And then once you hit submit, it'll put it right into the list. So now I have this one as well. You can just click on that. Mass energy equivalence equals MC squared. And so here's where I'm going to use the remove button. I can just hit remove and it'll take it right off of there for you. Another cool feature is in the rubric, it says to set up a little button where you can text people. If these were my family members, you'd be able to text them, but I didn't want to put my family members' phone numbers in the app. So I basically added this Ask a Subject Matter Expert button. So this is just to show the code, but basically you would type your question here. Hey, what does this even mean? And then once you hit it, I have it set up to email in the spreadsheet. I have 5 separate emails, one for each question, to basically prove that it was sending to different things. And once I hit this button, it'll pull up my email here, and it'll send it. That's one of my emails, and it'll send it right to me. Boom, you can send it. And if I was building an app like the Meet My Family app, if I had family members on there, I could add their emails instead, or code it so that it would be a phone number, right? So I'll just delete that real quick. And so, yeah, it's a pretty basic app, but that was all the items on the rubric that I wanted to hit. The 2 extra credits was the, I get rid of this next. Go back to the main menu. So the extra credit was taking out instead of a 3rd text input, right under E equals MC squared, I added the take pic button instead of them having to actually type out a URL to add a photo. And then the other extra credit was the remove button, which I showed you that functionality as well. And yeah, that's my app. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.